Understanding and protecting your bank account number. Have you ever thought at your bank details and seen a long string of numbers labeled account number and thought, what exactly is this and why is it so important? Your bank account number is a unique set of digits that identifies your specific account within a bank. It is, in simple terms, it's like your account's personal ID. It tells the bank exactly where your money belongs. Every time you receive money, send money, or set up payments, your account number is what ensures the fund goes to the right place. Let's break that down for you if you want. When someone transfers money to you, they usually need two key details: your account number and something like a short code in the UK. A short code identifies the bank branch, while your account number identifies you within that bank. So if a short code is like a street name, your account number is the exact house number. So why is this so important? Because the account number is Because if the account number is wrong, even by one digit, the money could be sent to the wrong person. In some cases, it can be difficult to recover, especially if the mistake isn't caught quickly. But here's the thing. But here's where things get even more important. Security. Your account number is sensitive information. While it's not enough on its own to access your account, it can still be used as part of scams or fraud attempts. For example, scammers might combine your account number with personal details to try to impersonate you or trick you into sending money. How to protect it? First, only share your account number when it's necessary, like receiving payments from trusted sources. Second, be cautious of unsolicited messages or calls asking you for your bank details. Legitimate banks will rarely ask for sensitive information in this way. Third, regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity. The sooner you spot something suspicious, the easier it is to fix. Let's look at a quick example. If you're giving your account details to an employer for salary payments, that's normal and safe. But if you receive random messages asking you to confirm your account details urgently, that's a red flag. Definitely a red flag. Common misunderstanding is thinking your current account number alone is enough for someone to steal your money. In most cases, it isn't, but it can still be part of a larger scam. Another mistake is sharing it too casually online or with people you don't fully trust. So, what's the key takeaway? Your bank account number is a unique identifier that ensures your money goes to the right place, but it also needs to be protected. It's not just a number; it's a key part of your financial identity. Once you understand that, you'll treat it with the same level of care as any other important personal information. Thanks for watching.